One from Just Imagine Journals in Australia. Today I have a Quirky Ancestors mini photo album for you with the family word charm, a key and a heart. And those of you who know me know I love doors in art, so we're going to use that key to open the door and go inside, and I'm going to put all the details of what I used in the description below. Here's another Quirky ancestor, and I love the mix of the modern and the old, sitting very relaxed. And here's a hidden quote, "I'm not lazy, I'm on energy saving mode." The little bit of washi tape, the film strip for the photo album theme. Here he is again. "If I were told to pick one word to describe myself, I'd go with doesn't follow directions." Oh, that doesn't bode well. Let's see. Going to just pull this down and open up. Here he is. He's lost his basket and now he's up in the air with his balloon, airmail. And now he's saying, "I may have seized the wrong day." And then here on this side, he might need a few things. I've got a ticket to anywhere, label special handling, fragile, handle with care, postage label, another ticket, and this postcard with the up, up and away theme. And he can write on the back of that one. And this lovely little pocket was gifted to me by my friend Cindy. Thank you, Cindy. That down and plenty of journaling space here as well, and I've attached that with a washi tape. Here's another little scrappy booklet, and this lovely lady is saying, "Worrying works. Over 90% of the things I worry about never happen." And I've used the backgrounds from the papers here just for a little bit of extra interest. A journaling, blank journaling page, and here's a little precious photo that's been well worn, and I've mended it with some alcohol ink tape and crumpled it a bit to give the vintage effect. And that's also a little secret pocket where you could put something extra special or a secret note. Just wanted to show you briefly, it's very straightforward construction, as you can see. Even though this is quite thick, I only use 3 pieces of paper because it has lots of extra elements. I use these photo frames, but you could draw that as well or stamp it. And then the only thing that really I wanted to point out about the construction was this page here. And as I mentioned, I use the washi tape because it's nice and thin. You could use fabric or paper. With the washi tape, I glued it just to be sure, and I did it on both sides. So that's simply another piece of paper from the ARTSTACKS range, and I just folded it. This is twine. So there you have it, the Quirky Ancestors photo mini album. And I would really love you to comment. I always read and answer all the comments, and appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. Bye for now.